Welcome back to BookGames Spectator. I'm your host, Michael T. Recently, we've been going through our core prerequisites for this series, and that is, what do we do when we get into BookGames spectating mode? We start by checking out the listing time to see if we can catch any snipes. That's first and foremost of importance. Let's try to catch a snipe. What's being listed? Is anybody posting anything? Oh, can we snipe it? Can we snipe it? No? Okay, well then we check the activity. Okay, what's being sold? What's interesting? What's going on? Interesting. Check it out up until you last caught up. And then we go back and we check out the floor. Since I'm BookGames spectating, I'm using a trading account, a BookGames paper trading account with 0.232959 Ethereum. That's just around $1,000 in fiat terms, in terms of the United States dollar. So recently we were going through the order book and we noticed this Ambition Gold Emerald for a crazy price. We figured we have to check it out. And so we're doing a cross-reference to figure out just which one is more valuable, to see what we can find. Ambition Gold Emerald, and then we doubled back for a Tenacity, so we're cross-referencing the Tenacity with the Ambition Gold Emerald. And we're just gonna look at it. We're gonna stare at it. We're gonna let it scroll while we go through, just to get a sense. This difference between Emeralds versus Galaxy, this difference between Tenacity versus Ambition, but still gold, and to see what type of similarities can we note. Okay, this is gold, this is Galaxy, this is Emerald. Galaxy, Emerald. Galaxy, Emerald. Galaxy is at 4.86%, 4.68% for Galaxy, and Emerald is at 2.60%. 2.60% for Emerald and 4.68% for Galaxy. And we're checking out Tenacity and Ambition in gold, Galaxy and Emerald. So this is where we're gonna cut our teeth, or cut our chops, earn our killing. No, that's gotta wait for the analogies or metaphors or similes, idioms, there we go, to describe the cross references that could be of use. So we're scrolling to try to get a look at the right amount of price, and we're taking a look and we're getting an idea. And we're understanding this idea a little bit more. And we're learning as we're scrolling. We're just brushing our eyes over the order book to see what the prices are like based on the times when they were sold. 0.25, 0.18, 0.13. This right here is one of the crux of BookGames spectating, to be able to cross-reference in real time. Now focus on your mind's eye. 0.65, Scrolling. Shelf. Okay, just looking. Again, we're BookGames spectating, so after this we're going to double back to the BookGames token count supply sheet and cross-reference to ask ourselves what hath transpired. Scrolling. Scrolling. Done. Okay, that was interesting. Now tell me what you learned in the comments below. You're learning how to cross-reference tokens and create a visual sheet to understand their value. We started with basing this ambition, gold, emerald. We're going to close this out. This is it by itself. Ambition, gold, emerald. 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.85, 0.72, 0.6, 0.65, 0.02 shelf, 0.25. Interesting. Yeah, great deals. Great deals. Wow, that was a steal. Do you have any burns? Wow, people are out here burning emeralds, dude. That's crazy. But that's the point of BookGames. So thank you for all the holders. Nice shelf. Only 3 listed. But again, it doesn't say much because there's only 9% listed. Okay, so we're going to continue scrolling. Aha, and we got to hear the shelf of hollows. Okay, so let's check out champagnes. Because normally we think in terms of EPN, Emerald, Pearl, Neon. But what about the champagnes? The current shelf for champagnes is at $1,000. 0.26 ETH. And it's a pretty robust shelf. So champagnes are going for about $1,000. How much do champagnes go for? Even with lava, they're going for 0.9s. $1.2s. Yeah, it's moving too fast for me to count. So we're scrolling. We're about halfway through. Scrolling. Scrolling. And I don't think we'll make it to the end, but I just wanted to leave this, well, maybe if we scroll a little bit faster. And then I just wanted to try to make it to the end to sort that, to show that we're dealing with an interesting use case here, and it comes to champagnes. Oh wow, and people burnt champagnes. Wow. I wonder what they got for them. That's such an interesting sort of thing to take a look at. But okay, this has been BookGames Spectator. Burn this token count